My name is Ornella Bertrand, and I'm a researcher at the Catalan Institute of Paleontology in Barcelona, Spain. My work focuses on using the fossil record to understand how the brain of mammals evolved and how the diversity in brain shape and size that we see today has emerged. I use CT scans and 3D data processing software to generate virtual brain endocasts, which correspond to the imprint left by the brain inside the endocranial cavity. One of the major questions that still remain to be answered relates to how much influence ecology and the environment have had on the evolution of the brain in mammals. I hope that with the integrative approach of the TIBBE, we can incorporate fossils more consistently in macroevolutionary studies that aim at understanding how brains evolved.